for joining us today at our Broaster test kitchen. This is our VF-3 Ventless fryer with the built-in Ansel, and it does not require a hood system. It will fry up to 3 pounds of product per batch. It has our built-in Smart Touch screen controller with programmable library of frying presets. Simply hit a button and the basket will automatically lower, and once that timer runs out, it will automatically come back up, and you just take the frying product straight out. So it's fully automatic. Great for entertaining venues like bars, bowling alleys, pool halls, small cafes, food trucks, and any place else that does not want to go through the expense of adding a hood system. Hey guys, so today we are going to be frying potatoes. We have standard fries, we have tater tots, we have curly fries, and we have waffle fries. Okay, so we're gonna start. We're gonna simply open and grab our basket. And please note that this handle is not hot. And since we're doing such small amounts of products, we're just gonna put them each on separate corners. They should have about the same fry time, so. And simply, we are gonna put it onto the lowering basket. And hit the start button. 4 minutes and 30 seconds, we should have perfectly done fries. Hey guys, so our fries are finished. It's been frying for about 4.5 minutes. So we are gonna take those fries out. And once again, the handle is not hot. And as you can see, they are perfectly done. And we are gonna plate it now, so.
Up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hey guys, so we have seasoned curly fries, which we left alone. We have cheddar and bacon tater tots. We have Parmesan and parsley fries. And then we have sriracha mayo with parsley waffle fries. So just wanted to state that yes, at the end of it all, it's a fryer, but you can literally make your menu anything you feel like your customer demands, and be very creative with your menu, even though you're not a big giant kitchen and you use a ventless fryer. So thanks for joining us. Have a great day.